Fertilizer are substances containing essential nutrients that aid in promoting plant growth by providing necessary elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. They come in various forms, including chemical compounds, and contribute to enhancing soil fertility. For example, ionic bonding. Many fertilizers contain ions that are held together by ionic bonds. For example, in ammonium nitrate, the ammonium ions positively charged and the nitrate ion is negatively charged. Ionic bonds form between these oppositely charged ions. Next, covalent bonding. Some fertilizers like urea involve covalent bonding. In covalent bonds, atoms share electrons to achieve a stable electron configuration. In urea, carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen atoms share electrons to form the molecule. Last, hydrogen bonding. Certain fertilizers exhibit hydrogen bonding, which occurs when a hydrogen atom is attracted to an electronegative atom in another molecule. This type of bonding is weaker than ionic or covalent bonds, but can influence the overall structure of a compound.
Apart from that, there is ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate is a chemical compound that is used as a nitrogen fertilizer in agriculture. It provides plants with both nitrogen and ammonium, which are essential nutrients for plant growth and development. Ammonium nitrate is produced by reacting ammonia gas with nitric acid. It can be applied as a solid granule or a liquid solution. Ammonium nitrate has some advantages and disadvantages as a fertilizer source. Some of the advantages are it has a high nitrogen content for about 34%. It is readily available and relatively cheap. It is easy to handle and store. For the disadvantages, ammonium nitrate is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air, which can cause caking and reduce its effectiveness. Along with that, ammonium nitrate is volatile, meaning it can lose nitrogen to the atmosphere as ammonia gas, especially when applied on alkaline soils or left on the soil surface. In addition to what has been said, ammonium nitrate is explosive, meaning it can detonate under high temperature, pressure, or shock, or when mixed with incompatible substances.
So, let's jump into acid-base. The idea of acid-base chemistry in fertilizer is usually connected with the soil's pH level. The pH scale measures acidity or alkalinity, affecting nutrient availability to plant. Acidic soil enhances the solubility of certain elements like aluminium, while alkaline soil favors calcium and magnesium. Maintaining an optimal pH range promotes nutrient uptake and overall plant health. In the first point, it states that the pH of soil is a measure of its acidity or alkalinity. It impacts nutrient availability by influencing chemical reaction in the soil. Most plants thrive in slightly acidic to neutral soil, but some prefer more acidic or alkaline condition. Adjusting soil pH can enhance nutrient uptake and promote optimal growth for specific plant. The second point states that the soil pH is measure of the acidity or alkalinity of the soil. A neutral pH is 7, while value below 7 indicate acidic soils, and value of above 7 indicate alkaline soil. pH level can affect nutrient availability and microbial activity, influencing plant growth.
Chemical kinetic refer to the study of the rate of chemical reaction and the factor that influence these rates. In the context of fertilizer, chemical kinetic is relevant for understanding how nutrients are released from fertilizer, and become available to plants. Some aspects of chemical kinetic related to fertilizer are dissolution of fertilizer compounds, hydrolysis of urea, and ion exchange in soil. For the dissolution of fertilizer compound, the rate at which solid fertilizer compound dissolve in water is a key factor in making nutrient available to plant. For example, the dissolution of granular or pelletized fertilizer depend on factors such as particle size, surface area, and solubility of the compound. For the hydrolysis of urea, the urea is a common nitrogen fertilizer. Urea hydrolyzes into ammonium ion and carbonate ion in the presence of the enzyme urease. The rate of urea hydrolysis depends on soil condition, temperature, and the activity of urease producing microorganism. For the ion exchange in soil, the process of nutrient ion being exchanged between soil particle and fertilizer ion is another aspect of chemical kinetic. Cation, which is positively charged ion like ammonium, potassium, and calcium, can undergo ion exchange with soil particle, influencing their ability to plants.